Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Time for the great apple harvest. Let's go and check out what we got. Oh, a bit of a mess up here. But look at this little tree here. Oh, super. Whoop. Got some pungery leaves blocking things up. How many we got on this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little apples. This is a teacher's pet, this one. A little bit of damage on there. But, yeah, we'll give it a bit of a clean and a bit of a rub. Any good? Well, we'll chuck it into the harvesting bag down here. These are, oh yeah, a bit of damage on that one. That one looks pretty good. A little bit of damage. Probably left them on here too long. Hey, I don't know anything about apples. Oh, that one looks pretty good. A little bit of damage again. Whoop. And lucky last. There we go, harvested. Lovely. We've also got this tree here. This hasn't produced much, but we do have 2 massive apples on this. Massive. These might be cooking apples. Whoops. Absolutely massive. As you can see, everything's overgrown. We've done nothing with the garden this summer. And the chickens have pretty much destroyed everything. Absolute chaos and carnage. And we got this apple tree here. There's nothing on it at all. It's produced in the past. Don't know if these ones are any good. I think it needs a good prune. I don't know anything about pruning. And we've got this peach tree here. And it looks like they've all fallen off pretty much. We've done nothing with those. In fact, they're all sitting on the ground, rotting. Brilliant. Oh well, free dinner for the chickens. Hey little. Hello Bubba. Hello. Yeah, little. These are the trees we got chopped down. We've chopped it up a little bit more. But, yeah, what a disaster zone. Never mind. Carry on.